Want to know how to subscribe to Google One? So in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily subscribe or generate a membership plan in Google One in just a few clicks. So let's get right into it. Now first things first is simply open up your Google One application and you should be under this interface. And at the top left side, you should be seeing this menu icon right here with the hamburger icon. Just simply like that. And here you should be seeing membership plans on top right above settings. So just simply like that once. And now once you have selected that, as you can see right here, your membership plans will load. So you can switch from annual to monthly plans to subscribe to. So you can also get discount if you are willing to buy. So if I just buy this one right here, I'll just be directed to Google Play Payments, and I can just simply add a credit card, debit card. You can just simply add your card number, or you can just scan it, add your number and your security code, and then select save card. Now once that is done, you can just simply start paying, and then you should buy it successfully. And that's it. I hope this video helped. This is how you easily get membership or subscription in Google One. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you on the next one.